Welcome to Production Expert, my name's Dan Cooper. In this video, I want to show you a really simple and effective way of getting piano and keyboard parts down in your productions, especially if you are not a piano or keyboard player. Say you are a singer-songwriter who plays guitar mainly and records guitar, but wants piano parts in their productions. Well, I'm going to show you how to do this using E-Instruments Session Keys Grand S. But the features I'll be showing you in this package are also available in other E-Instruments, keyboards and piano libraries. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to put myself in the position of the songwriter producing a song. I've got the acoustic guitar, got a lead vocal down and some other bits of guitar, and I want some piano now. So what do? I don't have any keyboard skills. Well, as I've played the guitar, I know what the chords are. It's a B minor, A major and a G major. But I have no talent to be able to get a convincing piano part down. So I use this, Instruments, open up the Smart Chords, and I enter in the key of the song, B minor in this case. Let's just open this up in Key View, and you'll see all the chords that work within that key here. All simple so far, but they're block chords. I want something with a bit of movement. For that, we go to the bottom here, the Animator. Let's turn this on, and we have a library here of playing styles. For example, all simple so far. And all I did to trigger that was play a single note on the keyboard here at the bottom. Now I've got a MIDI controller set up. If I play C on that MIDI controller, it won't be C, it will be the root of that key, so B minor. And if I want a major, I play a B. And if I want a G, I play a whole tone down on the MIDI controller. And there we have it. We've got the beginnings of a piano arrangement, and all I've had to do is hold 3 single notes down on my MIDI controller. Let's hear this in the context of the mix.
I'll walk with you anywhere you want to go. I've asked you many times, but still your answer is no. I'll even take my hat off, let me bake in the sun. However you want, stand back, I'm about to be loved.
And if we just take a quick look at the MIDI, as I recorded that, this is what it looks like. That complex sounding piano part is nothing but some very simple MIDI events right here, played with one finger. Now, what else can we do with this? Well, we can play around with the swing down here.
To go. I've asked you many times, but still your answer is no. I'll even take my hat off,
Make it a little bit more rigid. Play around with the quantize if you wish. Half time it. Double the speed. Quite a lot we can do here. But let's say you wanted to change the style of playing throughout the performance. Well, this can be done via key switching down here on the left. And you could do this at the same time as playing your single note triggers, as I showed you earlier. Or you can do another pass and record and add to your MIDI clip with your key switching. What I'm going to do now is play around with some other ideas during playback.
I'll walk with you anywhere you want to go. I've asked you many times, but still your answer is no. I'll even take my hat off, let me bake in the sun. However you want, stand back, I'm about to be loved.
And there you have it. The performance has been varied up with some different playing styles. And if we look back at the MIDI, remember at the top here we have the long notes that trigger the chord, and at the bottom the key switching, these very small little events down here that vary the performance style. And there you have it, a really simple and effective way of getting piano and or keyboard parts down in your productions. without feeling as though you need to be a brilliant pianist or keyboard player. The only music theory skills you will need in order to get this going really is understanding key signatures. You need to know what key you're working in, the chords that you've got in your song. That way you can set this up here at the top here in the Smart Chord and forget about it and get on with the creative bit of getting piano parts down in your productions. Anyway, hope you guys got something from this. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon.